So question number, first doubt that we had is question number 5, whatever was this question in whichever version of the book, please edit your question and make it as minus. What is the next doubt, Bitu?
So third one, 198.
Acha, that means all you new textbook fellows, can you then handle the next question? What was you have doubt in which one? 198 into 198. So it is 198 square minus 102 square. खुद कीजिए. There is a question like this, 198, I don't know whether it is in the new book, into 198 minus कितना है बेटा? 102 into 102 and divided by what? 96. So this will be also same. This is actually a square. Could you do this? ये सब a square minus b हो जाएगा ये. तो थोड़ा आगे बढ़ेंगे और बोलिए डाउट किसको क्या है. नहीं, आपका हो गया सारा डाउट. योर व्हाट इज हर नेम? चनाया डाउट. अच्छा, ये हो गया. एनीवन फ्रॉम न्यू बुक, एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ डाउट? रोहन बेटू, एनी डाउट? You wanted to ask some question, you forgot. Oh, that was something else. Okay, personal. How to write a letter to a girlfriend? That was personal talk. We cannot disclose it to everyone. Yeah, next. Any doubt in the homework? Anyone? Any doubt? Anything? Said sab. कोई शक? कोई नहीं है? आगे बढ़े. 2 दिन हॉलीडे है ना घर में. नेटफ्लिक्स में जाके ऑपरेशन सफेद सागर देखो. That's very nice. Huh? That's very nice. That shows you about the Kargil war and the Indian Air Force glory. You can see that, right? That is only ever by any air force in the world ever. A MiG-21 climbing at 30,000 feet. It's supposed to fly only up till 18 to 20,000. It flies at 30,000 and bombs targets. Acha, any other doubt? Anyone? No. Can we just have one new wala book and see what type of questions are more out there? So are you now able to do problems of this type? Okay, so today we will give you let's take as homework the pending problems. Let's take as homework. Okay, pending problems will take as homework. Oh, by the way, I had forgotten that apart from particulate nature of matter, storm wind was also something on which we have not been evaluated. That came last night in my dream. Okay, today we learned something called algebraic division and you will really enjoy it. ठीक है? We will learn algebraic division. जरा हाँ ठीक है एग्जाम के बारे में नहीं, यहाँ पे जरा डिवीजन निकालो ना बेटा. मेरे को एक जस्ट प्रॉब्लम, या आपके बुक में निकाली ना. इसमें चैप्टर अलग रहेगा, डिवीजन ऑफ algebraic आइडेंटिटीज करके रहेगा. हाँ, आपके न्यू बुक में भी रहेगा. डिवीजन इज देयर. हाँ, जस्ट निकालिए. ये division of algebraic expressions. Okay, and division is the only thing you may find little bit. Division is something like squares and square root. Initially थोड़ा सा अलग जैसा लगेगा आपको, लेकिन धीरे धीरे आप सीख जाओगे. ठीक है, shall we? Okay. उसी चैप्टर में रहेगा, 100% है उसके अंदर में. Or else let me see whether the division is there or not. But हाँ है ना. नहीं, there will be division. I have seen division बेटू. कंटेंट में नहीं रहेगा, चैप्टर के अंदर रहेगा. है ना. अरे यार तुम तो अभी कितना 6 पॉइंट है. मैं आपको क्वेश्चंस दूंगा ना. डिवाइड. सो वी आर लर्निंग डिवीजन नाउ. डिवाइड. ओके, गिव 6 x cube y square z square by 3x square yz. So we have to do this division. This is one of the most simple part of the division where we are having a monomial being divided by a monomial. This is something any era bacha will be able to do. So how do we do this? We just write 6 x cube y square z square divided by what beta 3x square yz. ठीक है, 3 takes away 6, 3 2s are 6. Got it? Now x cube x square, slowly your proficiency will come. It is the x cube multiplied by x is x square, so x cube cancels x square as x. But when we get little bit, our hands get set. We don't do like that. This is cube, right? Square. This is cube. Difference is only 1. So not to make it too clumsy, we cancel this and we cancel the 3, which shows that only x remains. Same thing. What you would have done, bacha? You would have cancelled this also, and put one extra x. है ना? You are peeling the potato in 2 peels. I am peeling it in 1 peel. X cube, x. ये धीरे धीरे आ जाएगा. अच्छा, y and y square. How much is only y? So we will cancel y and we will cancel the square. So how much remains? Y remains. Z and z square. Z and square. So what is remaining now? 2xyz. So the answer is 2xyz. Is it that difficult? Not that difficult. एक और प्रॉब्लम बोलो बेटा, हम लोग एक साथ करते हैं. हाँ,
15m square
15m square
n cube
by
5m square n square.
5m square n square. First beta you all write this problem and then that the other one we'll do together. हम एक साथ करेंगे. First write the first problem. Okay? The next one we all will do together. हमारे क्लास में सब शीप जैसा हो गया. Just because Uzair didn't come, so that seat is empty. कोई ऐसे नहीं बैठता है, वैसे ही बैठेगा. Tomorrow this fellow doesn't come. That is like periodic table. Element is not there, element space is vacant. है ना? Yeah. It feels like 5-6 bees have stung me together. Horrible, yeah, horrible. It's too bad, not bad. I don't know, all the children whom I scold, they must have cursed me today. Beginning with middleman. My middleman. ठीक है. अच्छा, इसको अगला वाले को करें एक साथ. अगर कर लिया तो वेरी गुड. आइए, लेट्स डू इट टुगेदर. 15m square n cube divided by 5m square n square. First 5 will take away 15 as 3. M square, so both go away, right? N square n cube. So n square goes, cube goes. So the answer is 3n. N for Nagpur. Sir, did you get M for Mala or N for Nagpur? N for Nigeria, N for Nancy. Oh, N for Nivedita. है ना? And I thought M आएगा शायद. M से कोई है हमारे क्लास में? M से कोई नहीं है. हमारे घर में R है, S है, A है, R है. R 2 हो गया. ये एक और A. ये P, S, N. वो भी A, वो भी S. U है. Avyan एक और A. I think the A's win it. S is Shanaya, Sajveer and Swayam, Shreyans. They are also 4. How many A's? 1, 2,
3.
And the 3 A's lose it. S wins it. And see, I'm on the only J. Yeah. Donkeys move in flocks. The horse always goes alone. And with me, Ruhan and Nivedita. We are the 3 horses. Oh no, Ruhan is not a horse. Ruhan and this one 2 R's. ये बुल है ये सब. PV है. JPN. Japan. Okay. तो हो गया. और एक anything? I think this exercise you can do, right? And if I'm changing this question, children, just see this question. I'm making this as negative, and I'm asking you to do this. So you'll put a negative. Now this becomes a -3. It becomes -3, and I hope you have understood. This is very easy. But let us go to the interesting one, which is when you start dividing a binomial, okay, when you start dividing a binomial, so children, what do? You नहीं, डरना तो है ही नहीं, डरना है ही नहीं. आप सबसे पहले, and we'll do it all by see, I can't hold the book. ये आप पढ़ना मेरे लिए, x cube. This one you read, this one. Okay, now the problem is getting little bit. Now, Mr. Rajiv Rastogi, time for you to concentrate. Divide. Tell me.
X cube
X cube
4x square
minus 4x square plus x
plus 6
plus 6
by x minus
by x minus 3. Children, now you have to pay utmost attention. In this chapter, you all are really doing good. So don't lose the tempo. Acha. I'm going to write something and I'm going to ask you, I'll see whether you know how to do this. I'm asking you to divide 9 by 3. Okay, I'm asking you to divide 9 by 3. 16 Pro Max. Okay. 3, not 9 by 3. I'm asking you to divide, sorry, 9 by 2. Okay. The usual procedure you apply 2 4s are 8. Again, can you tell me what is 9 called?
The dividend.
Dividend. Dividend. Dividend is the guy who will get divided. One packet family biryani is the dividend. Right? What is 2 called?
divided.
Divisor. All the family members are divisors. Got it? All the family members are divisors. Dividend is 1 packet biryani which will be divided among all family members. What is this called? Quotient. Quotient. Quotient means quotient. Quotient is biryani per head. How much each guy got. Right? And what is this? So if you are having chicken biryani, these are all the bones. Right? Which means if you multiply the quantity per person into the number of persons and add all the bones, you can again pack them as biryani packet. Right? Do you get it or not?
Yes.
So our formula always stays that the formula says this video will be lovely to watch with me moving like a ghost. Ghost turned like this na, mere aaka. Okay. Dividend is always equal to divisor multiplied by quotient, hai na bacha, plus the remainder. So in our particular problem, we had a 9. A 9 was a 2 multiplied by 4 and add with 1. Is this difficult to understand? I hope you know this thing, right? Acha. After doing 2 4s are 8, this particular step, ठीक है? समझ में आ रहा है तो Uzair और Avian, ठीक है? Just bear with me. After doing this step, 2 4s are 8 and you subtract 8 from 9, how much did you get?
1.
Why did you stop your division here? Can you give me a reason? No, that is subjective. Mathematical reason?
Because anyone
Why not
can
factor of
present in a model.
No. Still, better answer. Better mathematical answer. That is subjective.
1 for
Exactly. What you're saying is all correct. I want that answer in mathematical terms. She is younger to me. Tell me in mathematics how you will say.
1 is smaller.
1 is smaller than 2. Her age is less than me. That's why younger, na? 1 is less than 2. That means while performing division, if you arrive at a step where whatever remainder you got is actually less than the divisor, then what do we say? Break. Problem does not go ahead. But had you got a 2 here, match on, Videocon. Still, the match is on. And anything above than 2, still match is on. Do you agree? Let us now have that mindset here. Just see. Let me write this in that format. So some schools might write it in straight line. I'll write it this way, 4x square plus x plus 6, right? And this is that Decathlon t-shirt, sleeveless wala. Hota na pehlwan log, the gym t-shirt. And yes, Sultan t-shirt. And this is x minus 3. I hope you have understood. I've written in this manner. My question here is, how will we understand? Here you got a 1 and you could compare very easily with the divisor that 1 is less than 2. but here the divisor does not look like 9. Sorry, the dividend does not look like 9. So first thing we need to identify, how will we understand where to stop? Remember one thing. Is this a monomial? No, it is a quadronomial. We can call it a polynomial. Right? What is the degree of this polynomial? 3 is the degree of the polynomial. What is the degree of the divisor? 1. As long as divisor's degree is less than the dividend, match is on. As long as the degree of the divisor is less than the degree of the dividend, the match is on. Game चलता रहेगा. इसका डिग्री कितना है? 3. इसका डिग्री कितना है? 1. ये डिवीजन पॉसिबल है. बट इफ यू ट्राई द अदर वे अराउंड, इसको इससे डिवाइड करो, वो नहीं होगा. समझ में आया? राइट? That means this problem will proceed till we get something whose degree is less than this. Means we have to get a constant term without x. Once x stays, there is always what you call the degree is 1, and 1 degree में तो match will be on. समझने की कोशिश कीजिए. एक प्रॉब्लम करते हैं तो आपको अपने आप समझ में आएगा. The first thing in doing division is write the dividend in the proper decreasing order of degree. Is it written properly? Yes. But in exam they may give this problem as plus x minus 4x square plus x cube plus 6. That is not proper way. You have to write it in decreasing order of degree. Is it written in decreasing order of degree? Yes. Now see how the first step goes. ये पहले आपको थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट तो नहीं बोलूंगा, थोड़ा सा पेचीदा लगेगा. First you always look at here. What is it? X cube. And this is x. Just look at the x and look at the x cube. How do you match x cube with x? With what should you multiply x that you get a x cube? With what should you multiply a x that you get a x cube? X square. Clear है ना? So we write x square. X multiplied by x square is what? X cube. X cube is Saxena, and this x cube Saxena right under Saxena. Have you understood? And this minus 3 is olden days pativrata nari. Like olden days, like our mother's days and all. आप खाने के बाद जो भी रहेगा मैं उसी से अपना पेट भर लूंगी, which is very bad. Otherwise she will say, sir, how stereotype you are. So minus 3 has no other option. Minus 3 will multiply with x square itself. No other option. Minus 3 को कोई choice नहीं है. So minus 3 multiplied by x square is what? Minus 3x square. Minus 3x square. That is Kapoor. Is there a Kapoor here? Yes. So minus 3x square. Have you understood? Now after that what do? We subtract. You are subtracting this from this, so they will change their signs. सोचो, अरे minus 4x square plus x plus 6. You are subtracting x cube minus 3x square. This is the step you are supposed to do. So in the next step, what happens? Whatever is this thing comes down. They will change their sign. See, this will become x cube. This will become plus 3x square. Do you agree or not? So here what do? In order to reduce so much of load, we just do one simple thing. What is that simple thing? Whatever sign you are carrying on top, you just swap your signs. That is the job of minus, right? Minus of 2x plus 6. What will be the step? Minus 2x minus 6. Do you agree? You were carrying positives, you swap it to negatives. Say suppose you were negative of negative 2x negative 6. What are you carrying? Negatives. They will change to positive. समझ में आया? ठीक है, बहुत अच्छा. अगर समझ में आया, what is x cube in this step? Positive. And what is my 3x square? Negative. So what we do, we just change the signs here itself. We change the signs here itself. We write this as negative. we write this as negative and this as positive. That's how we do it. Okay, got it? After writing this, you will no more read it as plus 3x minus 3x square. You will read it as plus 3x square. ये बदल चुका है अपना sign. Basically, you are subtracting, re bhai. Rather than doing it separately, you have shown it here. Get smarter. Right? X cube minus x cube. Cancels each other. Plus 3x square minus 4x square. Minus x square. Minus x square. और ये जो दो है ना, ये नीचे आ जाएगा. Plus x plus 6. एक राउंड मैच खत्म. End of round 1 and India leads 1 points to nil. Round 2 start करें अभी. Round 2. Round 2. Now इधर क्या है बेटा? X. इधर क्या है? Minus x square. How will you convert x to minus x square? By multiplying with minus x. So if I multiply with minus x, what do I get? Minus x square. Agreed? And Pativrata Sri has nothing to do. Minus 3 will multiply minus x. Minus 3 into minus x is plus 3x. Plus 3x is Singhania. Is there a Singhania here? Yes. Plus 3x. The next step, I always say, have you watched Mickey Mouse Clubhouse in your childhood? हाँ, वो एक प्लूटो रहता है ना, डॉगी कौन? मैं डॉगी. तो वो ये हो गया यहाँ पे. माइनस कैसे? मैं प्लस. प्लस ओ मैं तो माइनस हूं. समझ में आया? Now minus x square and plus x square. Now tell me, plus minus 3x and plus x. Minus 2x. And who is staying there? 6. मैं तो नीचे आ गया. अच्छा, what is the degree here? 1. What is the degree here? Round 3 भी होगा. Tang. End of round 2. हाँ, कम होना है, तब तक मैच चलेगा. End of round 2. Now ads are going on. MRF tires we make, other tires you ride. Welcome back. Now end of round 2 and beginning round 3. 1 1. So how to get a minus 2x from x? Minus 2. Very good. So multiplied with minus 2 gives you a minus 2x. Agreed? Right? And Pativrata Nari just multiplies this. No other option. Minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6. Plus 6. Next step is what? Doggy gone. Minus मैं बन गया प्लस. और ये था प्लस बन गया माइनस. और ये कट गया और ये भी कट गया. रिमाइंडर 0. क्यों बैठे हो खाली? जाओ ताली. मिकी माउस क्लब हाउस मैच हो गया खत्म हमारा. ये नहीं देखा तो आप देख लेना. देखने के लिए कोई उम्र थोड़ी है. टीवी में तो अभी भी आता है. इस प्रॉब्लम को दोबारा करते हैं. You understood? Next time also I am doing. You again still keep watching. ठीक है? चलो फिर से बताओ प्रॉब्लम का क्वेश्चन बेटू. नहीं वही प्रॉब्लम. घिसा पिटा. X cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6 divided by ये रहा डेकाथलॉन का टी शर्ट. और इसमें क्या रहेगा? डिवाइडेड बाय x minus 3. शुरू करें? रेडी? आ जाओ फिर से शुरू करते हैं. सबसे पहले नजर किस पे जाएगी? Whether this is in descending order or not. Is it in descending order? Yes. First check passed. Next, जैसे वो एयरफोर्स में बोलते हैं ना, climbing 300 feet. Affirmative. This plus plus. Roger. Next question. Is it x cube? And this is x. So this match is on. How to get a x cube from x? X square. So we multiply x with x square to get a x cube. And this minus 3 has no other option, has to multiply minus 3x square and becomes minus 3x square, but will be put in under the clan of x square. Will be put under the clan of, this is the x square clan, so you get a minus 3x square. Did you get it? Which one?
How do you get minus 3?
Are there is a minus 3 here, re baba. This minus 3 multiplies with x square, so minus 3x square. Always the first one will match. The next one is a follower. Understood? You and me go together. We will order one plate bonda. I will eat all the bonda. Whatever chutney is that, like a shishya, you have to eat only that chutney. You don't have option on the bonda. Have you understood? So this is the shishya. He has already eaten the bonda. Now you just lick the chutney. In some cases, there may be no chutney. You have to just smell the plate. That is your dharma as a shishya. Have you understood? Next step, Mickey Mouse Clubhouse step. Doggy con. Doggy con. समझ में आ गया? Plus 3 and this minus x square. And they just say, अभी हमें भी दो ना, हमें भी दो ना. ये भी नीचे आ गए. ठीक है? है ना? You know how a Hyderabadi child says, suppose I go, there is some child's birthday and I go to buy a gift like a pencil box. एक pencil box दिखाइए and the shopkeeper shows me a pencil box. I like it and I'm taking my daughter also along. My daughter also wants a pencil box. So other places that child, my daughter will say, Papa, मुझे भी एक दीजिए. The Hyderabadi kid will say, मेरे को भी होना. मेरे को भी होना. This is Hyderabadi Hindi. You know that, right? Hyderabad people never photo नहीं खींचते ना. My photo निकाले ना. Polaroid cameras देखे हो जिसमें फोटो निकल के आता है. वैसा ये फोटो निकाले. साड़ी दिखाइए दुकान में. साड़ी दिखाइए नहीं होता है. साड़ियां दिखाइए. साड़ी बताओ भाई. इनको साड़ी बतलाओ. And परसों is anything in recent past. Do you know that? What is परसों? Day before. So for today Sunday, परसों was Friday. But in Hyderabad, परसों is anything in recent past. अभी मैं फर्स्ट टर्म टेस्ट दिया ना. कब दिया? अभी परसों दिया ना. 2 weeks हो गया. लेकिन परसों is anything and in Delhi 5 minute is anything nearby. यहाँ कितना दूर है वो इसका प्रेस्टीज अपार्टमेंट? अरे 5 मिनट है. So what you do, you just get down, lock your car and start walking. By the time you sweat, भाई साहब प्रेस्टीज अपार्टमेंट किधर है? वो इधर है. 5 मिनट. दिल्ली में 5 मिनट बोलेगा. 5 मिनट means everything in nearby. So please ask where is that 5 minute. Got it? Actually, first time when I came to Hyderabad, I went to a chicken shop and I said, the shopkeeper started asking me, chicken होना? Means you want chicken? I said, मैं इंसान हूँ. मैं कैसे चिकन हो सकता हूँ? वही पूछे ना साहब, चिकन होना आपको? मैं चिकन चाहिए. हाँ वही तो बताए, पूछे ना साहब, चिकन होना. I mean, I thought he will just make me, after 5 minutes, I'll be doing like, meow, 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 and fluttering my. ठीक है, चलो इसको आप देखो एक्स स्क्वायर करना है. लेकिन ध्यान दीजिए, ज्यादातर बच्चे जो गलती करेंगे वो इस एक्स स्क्वायर को देख के they will see this x square as that beautiful girl and think this should be your girlfriend. Actually ये डायन है. You are not seeing it. It's a horror movie ना. आप ब्यूटीफुल देख के चले जाएंगे, साथ में एक माइनस भी है वो, लेकिन डायन है. जैसे घूम के देखिए, आओ मेरे पास. ठीक है ना? तो x से हम क्या करेंगे? माइनस x से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हो जाएगा माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर. और ये क्या करेगी? मेरा तो जिंदगी खराब है, आप जो खाएंगे मैं वही खाऊंगी. -3 into -x is +3. अरे 3x मत बोलो, डायन को पहचानो. +3x. +3. Anything who pulls you out of shit need not be your friend. You remember that, okay? Right. And then the next step is doggy con. Man. So this becomes plus this minus. और इसकी होती है टाइटाई फिश. And -3x and this becomes -2x. और ये बोलता है मेरे को भी जाना, मेरे को भी होना, मेरे को भी होना. ये आ गया नीचे. ठीक है ना? मेरे को भी होना. अब क्या करना है? अभी भी चेक करो. x match is still on. So x multiplies now with -2. If you multiply with -x, then you will become -x square. You have to match this. You have to match this. This is the critical step. So it becomes how much? -2x. और ये क्या बोलती है? -3 with -2 is +6. Now the step is doggy con. Doggy con. Tweet, tweet. 0. Please copy this problem. Then we will do another problem. मजो आयो? बहुत ही बढ़िया. Rohan, did you understand? We'll try the next problem. Then we will see how much we have learned. Okay. This is not from that book, darling. Don't you hunt there. Yeah. This is a different level love letter. Not in Glendale. You have to write it to a different school. एक किलो वायरस सहज लाता है पहले. लीजिए सर आज का वायरस का कोटा, हाथ चो 3। देखो निवेदिता कैसे तुम्हारा पेंसिल तुम एकदम ठीक पकड़ रहे हो, अभी हो गया ना 3 क्लासेस 4 क्लासेस। नहीं जैसे पकड़े थे वैसे ही पकड़ो, ठीक पकड़ के कर रहे हो बिल्कुल। नहीं ऐसे नहीं, पहले मैं बोलने के बाद डोंट गेट कॉशियस, डू इट द वे यू आर डूइंग, बी फ्री। हाँ होल्ड इट द वे यू वांट। और एक व्हाट, सॉरी कैको हाँ पूरा वायरस, हिज एल्डर ब्रदर इज ऑलरेडी वायरस इन्फेक्टेड एंड ही वाज आल्सो सिटिंग देयर इटसेल्फ। हाँ I have now become like the Great Wall of China. 100 virus every day attack me. Access not granted. And when access is granted, छुट्टी नहीं तो ऑनलाइन भी हो सकता है ना। हाँ, why do you forget that? Missing a class means I won't be able to sleep properly that night. हाँ. Today only, just when I was coming out of house, my wife, my mother said they don't go inform parents so that they can come back and do online. But I said नहीं, मैं अपना धर्म निभाऊंगा। चलो हुआ कि नहीं? And बेचारा अर्नव्स mom and dad came today and they would have said, अरे हमारा बच्चा रोज आके ऐसे खड़ा रहता है ना क्लास में। देखो, every day I come hardly, no parent comes and watches me. The day I come late, everyone comes. This is called चलें एक और प्रॉब्लम करें, समझ गए? अच्छा पेन कहाँ गया? यहाँ पे। चलिए एक प्रॉब्लम बताइए मिस्टर प्रतीक पुजारी। हाँ, 2x to the power 4 plus 8x cube plus 7x square, एक साथ करेंगे। हाँ, plus 4x plus 3 divided by x plus 3, यहाँ पे x plus 3। अच्छा बहुत सारे बुक्स में ना the quotient is written on top also, but somehow I love writing it on the right side. नहीं तो ऐसा कैसा लगता है ना एक हाथ कटा हुआ है। First check, look at the dividend. Is it in reducing order? It is in reducing order. देखिए ना proper way. So shall we start our match? First of all, see whether the match is there or not. Linear fighting with quartic polynomial. Definitely matches on. Okay. So x has to become 2x4. With what will you multiply? X has to become 2x4. 2x cube. Not x cube, beta. 2x cube. You have to match this completely. You said 2x cube. I'm so sorry. I'm taking it back. So we multiply it with, we multiply it with 2x cube. So x into 2x cube makes it what, beta? 2x4. After that, 3 will multiply with 2x cube. So it becomes 6x cube. 6x cube is Kapoor. There is a Kapoor. So 6x cube placed here. Next step is what? Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Doggy Con. And these two. This is how much? 2x cube. 8x cube minus 6x cube is 2x cube. And they say, मेरे को भी होना, मेरे को भी होना, मेरे को भी होना. ये सब चला गया. मेरे को भी होना, मेरे को भी होना, मेरे को भी होना. ठीक है? End of round 1. Right? Ding ding. Riyansh leads 1-0. Round 1. Round 2. और ऐड भी आना चाहिए था बीच में. Round 2 में क्या होगा? X will match with 2x cube. So with what will you multiply? पहले इसको कैसे करते हैं देखो. X को x cube करना है तो x square और एक 2 लाना है भाई. 2x square खत्म. X को क्या करना है? X cube. So you need how much? X square and 1 2. So it becomes 2x square. So plus 2x square. Why did you put plus? Because this is plus 2x cube. और ये क्या कहती है? मैं तो अर्धांगिनी. 3 2 6x square. So उसको स्क्वायर के नीचे बिठा दिया. नेक्स्ट स्टेप, डॉगी कॉन. और ये कितना हो गया? x square. मेरे को भी होना, मेरे को भी होना, मेरे को भी होना. ये आ गया. राइट? अभी क्या है? x square. अभी भी गेम ऑन है. x. बहुत अच्छा बच्चा. सुंदर सा प्यारा सा नन्हा सा x और यहां हुआ x square. 3 ने x को मल्टीप्लाई किया तो बना 3x. इसके बाद डॉगी कॉन. ये कट गया और ये हो गया x और ये मेरे को भी होना, मेरे को भी होना, मेरे को भी होना. अभी देखो यहाँ पे दिमाग लगाने का नहीं है. दिस इज डोंकी प्लस मंकी, डोंकी प्लस मंकी मीन्स 1 से जाएगा ये. Donkey plus monkey into 1 is donkey plus monkey ना. And if you've still not understood, then you go by the baby process.
इधर भी एक मेरे को ना इधर पे 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, तो यहाँ पे ना x आ जाएगा. सर ने बोला 3 को 1 से करो, तो यहाँ 3 हो जाएगा. फिर मुझे करना है डॉगी कौन, फिर ये कर दिया, यहाँ 0, मतलब प्रॉब्लम बन गया. कॉपी कर लो, ठीक है, समझ में आया? हाँ, निंजा हथौड़ी में और भी ज्यादा खींच के बोलता है. ये ओ हागे मारू एक आता है ना, हाँ, ये चुभी को ये कन्या, उसमें ऐसा रहता है. निंजा हथौड़ी. उसका बहन जो है शिनचैन का बहन, शिनचैन में भी ऐसा खींच के बात करता है. ये युको तुम तो ये नहीं करोगी, क्लास में छुट्टी हो गया. And how many of you that Kangs and that professor रहता है ना? नहीं, professor. Everything is square in that cartoon. Roll number 20.
roll number 21.
हाँ, roll number 20. तुम आओगी क्लास पे, मैं तो कृष्णा वाला. हाँ,
बकवास का टीचर होता है.
हाँ, वही वो सबको पनिशमेंट देता है ना. लेकिन तुम करोगे इस क्लास में, मैं नहीं दूंगा तुम्हें नंबर, तो कैसे मिलेगा? अंग्रेजी भी मैं देखता था, मैं थॉमस एंड हिज फ्रेंड्स भी देखता था. बिल्कुल, मुझे उसके गाने भी याद है. There 2 and 4 and 6 and 8 shunting tracks and hauling freight down the hills and round the bends, Thomas and his friends. थॉमस इंजन नहीं देखते थे? हाँ, थॉमस ट्रेन. Or I still could not recognize the song itself, and I love Thomas Train. No, he likes to. I don't know. कौन सा?
अरे वो कार्टून है.
वो नहीं देखा. सबसे बकवास लगता था मेरे को ऑगी एंड द कॉकरोचेस.
अरे वो मैं बहुत पूरा you put it in Hindi. हाँ.
I have seen things in Telugu and Tamil also. Mickey Mouse. Hey Mickey, ఎక్కడ లోబు నాకు ఇది పెట్టి. उसको समझ में आता है तो वो देखता है. स्पाइडरमैन रशियन में भी देखता होगा लोग, उसको वही समझ, हाँ, उसको वही समझ में आता है जिसका जो लैंग्वेज है. एकदम. अरे हुआ स्पाइडरमैन बाद में. हाँ, टॉम एंड जेरी इज फाइन. Tomcat. Done. एक और किया जाए, आइए एक और, और उसी में हम खत्म करेंगे. But your homework will not be on this thing. Your homework will be to complete the remaining portion of R.D. Sharma 6.4 जो रह गया है. ठीक है ना? ठीक है, ये this we will take up in next class. Yeah, last problem. Children, tell me, बच्चा. X cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 divided by x square minus 4x plus 3. Aha, now we have quadrinomial divided by trinomial. यहाँ दो दो बहू है. राजा का पहले 2 रानी होता था ना, लेकिन दो, अरे तुम चुप करो ना लोग, लेकिन दोनों वही खाएगी जो पहला वाला खाएगा. चलो, match x cube with x square. What should we take? With what should you multiply? X. Very good. So we multiply with x. We get what? X cube. Now it is critical. Don't read this as 4x. Diane को देखो. Minus 4x multiplied by x is how much? Minus 4x square. Kapoor under Kapoor. Minus 4x square. Still not over. Plus 3 multiplied with x is plus 3x. Malhotra under Malhotra. ठीक है? That's the only difference, because now you have 3 terms. The next step is doggy con. Doggy con. Just swap them. So this goes away. This becomes negative 2x square. This becomes
8x plus 8x.
plus 8x. मेरे को भी होना, मेरे को भी होना, मेरे को भी होना. ठीक है ना? अब क्या करना है, एक्स स्क्वायर से 2x² माइनस 2x² मैच करना है, मतलब -2 करना है। बिल्कुल ना निवेदिता ने हमेशा बड़ी सही बताती है, मतलब -2 से करना है, तो -2x² हो गया यहाँ पे। और ये लोग क्या बोलेंगे, जो तुम्हारा खाना वही मेरा खाना, प्लस 8x और +3 इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेगा तो -6 हो जाएगा, है ना।
हाँ तो
नहीं खत्म नहीं हुआ अभी, अभी डॉगी कौन करना है, डॉगी कौन, डॉगी कौन। So this cancels, you know now why it is cancelling, -2 + 2 +8 -8 trrrng, trrrng. And you get a lovely motichukka laddu, you know, a spherical sweet ball made up of, you know, granular sweets, very famous in India. They give it on every birthday. Call it something, yeah, call it something like motichur laddu. Motichur laddu. We had our English ma'am used to say, don't you'll get a laddu in your exam. Laddus. Laddus. समझ में आया अर्नब साहब? So this we will do in our next class, and we will slowly start by the next class, that is tomorrow, right? Our next class is tomorrow, Tuesday, and we will take up the chapter of light. Any school has taught light? Yeah, so we will so we'll take up light now as our next chapter, as we are coming to fag end. Your homework, children, remains the same. Finish the RD Sharma exercise. 6.4 में जो है, मतलब whichever, now you know what is relevant, what is irrelevant. So you should be good with your lot of tests are piling up. And somebody said 30 you want to have the test. 30 बहुत देर हो जाएगा। ठीक है, हम लोग ट्यूसडे डिसाइड करेंगे। हाँ, ट्यूसडे डिसाइड। मारी जुबानी लास्ट जुबानी, मैं कुछ बोला अभी भी डेट नहीं ना। हाँ, one of the sum is very hard. Which sum? What is that? Tell me. Ninth one, I don't know, beta. You have to tell me what is the problem.
Plus 1x squared equal to 8.
X square plus
X squared equal to 18.
18. Find
Find the values of x plus 1x
x plus 1x
and x minus 1x.
x minus 1x. That is very easy. It is ulta this time. Just 1 minute. अरे रुक ना रे बाबा, फिर बोलते ही रहता है। It is very easy. Let me do x plus 1x whole square, Riyaj. Okay. What do I get? X square plus 2 into x into 1 by x. I'll show you one, rest you can do. Plus 1 by x square. Have you understood this or not? Just tell me. Right? This step can be written as x square. I'm just bringing it here, 1 by x square and plus 2. And this side is what, beta? X plus 1 by x whole square. Do you get it? Now I take x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2. Then it is x square plus 1 by x square. Do you agree? और इतना करने की जरूरत नहीं, ये स्टेप भी करने की जरूरत नहीं है। देखो, you have to find out the value of what? X plus 1 by x. So I write x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to, this value is given to you. How much? 18. 18 plus 2. So x plus 1 by x whole square is how much? 20. Do you agree? So what is x plus 1 by x? Root of 20. If you take square root of both sides. If a square is equal to 25, a equal to 5. So if this square is equal to 20, take square root of both sides. Now, if you do square root of this, what do you get? This root 20. Root 20 factorization, 2 into 2 into 5. Nonsense here. 2 into 2 into 5. Agreed or not? For every 2, 1 2 can come out. What prime factorization did you all learn? For every 2, 1 2 can come out. And root 5 you don't know how to do. So the answer is 2 root 5. ये समझ में आया ना? उसको ये निकालने बोला है, ये भी इजी है। इसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे? x minus 1 by x whole square करेंगे। क्या मिलेगा बिट्टू? x square minus 2 plus 1 by x square. I'm jumping a step. You know how I got this minus 2, right? You have to find the value of this. But you know x square plus 1 by x square minus 2, right? This value is given as how much? 18 minus 2. That means the value is 16. That means x minus 1 by x should be equal to 4. You did not understand. Have you understood now?
Yes.
So what was difficult? This is what is thinking, na? Therefore, stop watching mobile. Why I say, mobile क्यों बुरा मानने के लिए नहीं. I'm very serious and I'm saying, when you see everything just for 10-20 seconds, your thinking does not develop. When we watch a reel, we don't think. That is spot entertainment given to you. और कोई आदमी जाके बंदर बन गया कुछ है. So every 10 seconds you are scrolling. Don't we scroll it? We don't watch a reel more than 10. If it is a long reel, you will anyway scroll it. When you do too much of scrolling, watching, this does not develop. And the age you are right now, which is say 13 to 18, this is your age of cognitive skill development, where your thinking power has to increase. Anybody telling you something when you were a kid, पता है निवेदिता ना बहुत झूठ बोलती है. That when you were a kid at 6 years, you will straight away believe. But now you are growing up. You will hear it. Then God has given you this CPU. You have to process. He said that. Is it true? Well, let me not make my judgment. Let me actually check. That's your thinking. Should be believed. That thinking skill will not develop. अगर आप ये YouTube shorts और ये सब देखते हो ना, देखो YouTube. Watch for nice documentaries. लंबे चीजें देखो. Sinking of Titanic देखो. या कुछ और प्रोग्राम देखो जो आपको अच्छा लगता है. What is life in Alaska? Up Alaska. Do you know Alaska is a place where at 1:30 a.m. in the morning, 1:30 a.m. the sun is shining bright. Huh? 1:30 in the morning, 0130, not afternoon. Yeah, there's 6 months of day and 6 months of night. So at 0, you can go to there and watch Finland. Then there are places in Antarctica, expedition to Antarctica. Do you know when in Antarctica the ship goes and takes you? The ship will take you from which place? From where will you go in ship? Argentina. From Buenos Aires the ships will leave. And the ship will take you to Antarctic. When you get into Antarctic and you go to the island where the penguins are, you will not be allowed to go with your dress and shoes. आपको cover कर देगा. You are not supposed to spread germs in that continent. कितना अच्छा लगता है. And you will go there